If you're interested in starting a worm farm, I'm going to explain to you the 4 types of composting worms to help you decide which worm would be best for your worm farming journey. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. Here are the 4 types of worms for composting. You have red wigglers, you have blue worms, you have European night crawlers, and you have African night crawlers. The red wiggler worms, you could buy them from 500 to 2,000. And the thing about red wigglers, they're easy to maintain once you get your bin started. All you have to do is just make sure they have bedding and food scraps, and you're good to go. They're not real big, but they consume food scraps quick. Blue worms look like red wigglers, but to me, they're more a worm that's more like they're jacked on caffeine. They're hyper, they're aggressive, but they're a good worm too to have. But when it comes to the red wigglers and the blue worms, a lot of times if you purchase worms from worm farmers, there might be a mixture of red wigglers and blue worms. So if you're looking for pure blue worms, I would ask the vendor if they have just blue worms only. But a mixture of red wigglers and blue worms, that's definitely not a problem. Another worm for beginners is European night crawlers. And you have to think about European night crawlers and why you want those. If you're into fishing, that would be a great investment because they're a nice thick worm. They're easy to take care of too. Their temperatures can range once again from 50 to 90. So they're a good worm if you're just starting out to have as well. Usually the best investment for those is between 500 and 1,000 worms. And that they're a really good worm to take care of too. Now, if you're more advanced, there's the African night crawlers. I don't own African night crawlers. I raise red wigglers and European night crawlers, and I might have blue worms mixed in with my red wigglers. But African night crawlers, they're a pretty worm. They're thick. They have a purple tint. And there's other worm farmers that have videos on what African night crawlers look like. But I hear the African night crawler is one of the harder worms to take care of because they're a tropical worm. If the temperature is less than 60 degrees, if I'm correct, they can die. So there's a lot of things that you have to think about when it comes to African night crawlers. But if I were you, I would invest into red wigglers and or European night crawlers as a starter. So here are a few other videos to learn more about worms. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. I make weekly videos. I just want to say thank you for taking time out to watch this video. You have a great day. Bye.